Hey, what's up guys? Tiger Flash here, and today I'm going to show you how to use Adobe Flash Player even though it's has officially lost support on December 31st, 2020. So actually I'm going to show you this on Mac for this video. It works on all recent web browser, so Chrome, Opera, Firefox, Safari, maybe not, but just download another web browser to use it. So without further ado, let's start the video. So as you can see, a lot of websites did not update and are still using Adobe Flash Player. For my part, it's mostly school stuff, but basically half of my school stuff is using Flash Player, so I just can't play animations and everything. So I'm going to show you how to play it even though Flash Player is outdated as of December 31st, 2020. Okay, so just to be clear, I'm gonna start by showing you how to use Flash Player on Chrome and other web browsers on Mac. Then I'm going to show you how to use it for Firefox on Mac since it's a bit different. Okay, so first you have to go to the Ruffle website. So I'm going to leave this link in the description below. But if you go to the Ruffle website, and as you can see right here, Flash Player Emulator Ruffle RS, there you go. Okay, so once you're here, you want to scroll down, right this, and go to releases. So download the latest releases. For me, this is the latest, but maybe it's going to be different for you. And as you can see, desktop, Linux, macOS, Windows, and browser extension, Firefox, Chrome, Edge, Safari. So actually here, I'm going to use macOS and Chrome, Edge, Safari. So I'm going to click on Chrome, Edge, and Safari. And then I'm going to download it on the desktop. So there you go, you can download it where you want, but for me, it's much easier to download it on the desktop. So once this is done, you actually want to unpack or unzip the file. So just click it, it's got unzip it. On Windows, I'm going to show you later, but you have to really unzip it, not just open it, because Windows will open it like by default. And then you just let the file right here, just chilling. Okay, so once this is done, you actually want to go here, Chrome, and you want to navigate to this. So basically, you're just gonna highlight this, or you can write it, I don't care. And then you're gonna drag it like this into here, and boom, there you go. Okay, so once you've done that, you want to turn on developer mode, and then you want to go to charge, unpack extensions. So right here. And then you have your Ruffle extension. You want to click on it and select it. So once you've selected, you see it's activated, it should work. So if we go back into the website that uses Flash, I just quit it. Oh no, there you go. And reload this. Boom. As you can see, I can actually play the animation normally like if Flash was supported. So if I check in my extensions, there you go, Ruffle, it's activated. It's basically a Flash Player emulator. But now I've done it for Chrome. I'm gonna be doing it for Safari just for the heck of it, just to show you. Okay, so it's a good thing I tried to use it on Safari because I had doubts, but you know, it was saying Safari, so it was like, man, Safari should work. But Safari does not recognize the Chrome extension, and don't try to write Safari, it won't work because Safari uses a different type of extensions. So basically, maybe there's a way, I think there should be a way, I have a way like that I can think of, but it's complicated. Honestly, just download another web browser if you want to use Flash. I mean, Chrome, Opera, Firefox, those are good web browsers that you can actually download, or even Edge, and just use Flash, like Flash emulator, on those browsers without an issue. So let me show you with like Opera, for example. Okay, so Opera is actually really similar to Google Chrome, so the process should be pretty much the same. So let's write Ruffle again. The same website, the same process. If you already done it for like Chrome, you don't need to do it again. I mean, you will need to install it to Opera, but not download the latest version and everything. So here again, Chrome, Edge, Safari. And you want to download it, yes, to the desktop. I mean, doesn't mind. Again, I just like downloading things on the desktop. You want to unzip it. There you go, it's unzipped. And then you want to go back into the good old Opera. I really love Opera, actually. It's pretty fast. I love it. Seriously, I never thought I would love it, but I love it. It's a bit faster than Chrome for me, actually. So you just want to navigate here, and as you can see, it's just like Chrome. Developer mode, loan unpacked. Actually, you want to choose the unpacked file. That's the Ruffle, as you can see, just to make it clear. And then boom, it's actually activated. So if we go back into Chrome to find the link of my website that uses Flash, and we go back into Opera just to try it, and there you go. As you can see, wait a second, Flash Player is working. Took a bit of time, but hey, it's working fine, just like if you had Flash. So it's not Flash, but it's an emulator and it's working fine. So now let's do Firefox on Mac. Okay, so for Firefox, it's a bit different, but still really easy. So you want to go again, open Firefox, go to Ruffle. There you go, Ruffle. And then you want to go to Ruffle again. And then you want to go down like all others. But here, you want to choose, this you have nothing to press, Firefox. And actually, you want to right click. So 2-finger click for Macs. And you want to go to save the link as. So right here, this is in French obviously, and then you want to go to desktop. Okay, again, no need to be the desktop. Okay, so once you've downloaded on the desktop, you just want to go here about debugging like this, and you want to copy it. So Command C, Command V on Mac, Command C to copy, and then you want to open here a new one, a new tab, and Command V to copy it. And there you go. When I say command, it's Command C to copy, Command V to paste. So there you go. And then you want to go to this Firefox right here. And then you want to go to here. So it's actually click on load temporary add-on, which will in English. There you go. And then you want to choose your add-on and say open. And then, as you can see, it's actually working. So let's try it out. So again, I have my link that I've just copied, and if I paste it here and make a web search, as you can see, it's working. Okay, so just a little disclaimer again. For Chrome and Opera, it seems like the extension is actually staying in Chrome or Opera, even though if I close the computer, if I open it, if I close Chrome, quit Chrome, whatever, it's gonna stay. But if it's not staying, just if I was you, I would keep a copy of my file right here, like not on the desktop, but somewhere in the computer where you know where it is. And if it's not in your extension right here, like here it is. But if it's not, you can just navigate to, like I said earlier, like Chrome, like the Chrome's extension setting, and just put it back and you're gonna be good to go. And for Firefox, it seems a lot worse. For Firefox, almost each time I've opened Firefox back up, like for a complete close, I had to put back the extension. But if I was you, I would leave again the file for Firefox, which it's not here, but I would leave it here. Just go into the extension parameters, like extension settings for Firefox, and just add your extension into your Firefox browser again. But most of the time for Chrome and Opera, it's actually staying into the web browser, which is a good thing. You can close your computer, open it back up, and you have Flash Player every time. But if you notice it's not working, just install it back, go into your extension setting, it's gonna be there. Just drag it again like we did earlier in the video, and you're gonna be good to go. Okay, so that will be it for the video on how to use Adobe Flash Player on Mac in 2021 after it lost support. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe down below, and I'm gonna be releasing more videos soon. Ciao, ciao!